Hi, kindergarten artists. Today we're going to make our own tile that was inspired by Talavera tiles. The first thing you're going to do today is you're going to fold your square of paper in half like this. Make sure that the corners are touching. And then go ahead and make a crease here and open it back up. Now you should see a line right here where the paper was folded. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick out a crayon of whatever color you like, and you're going to make a big shape right here in the middle of your paper. Now, today I decided I want to make a triangle. So I'm going to actually start with a pencil before I use this. So I'm going to start up here, draw my triangle. Okay, there we go. Now, if I fold it, the sides should touch and they will be symmetrical. The next thing I'm going to do is take the crayon that I picked out earlier. I'm going to outline my shape, just staying on those lines. Okay, and once I get that done, I'm going to pick another color crayon. I like this color. And I'm going to add, I could add polka dots or zigzags in the background, or wavy lines, or straight lines, whatever kind of designs you want to make. I think I'm going to go with a zigzag line. And then I'm going to keep going and make another zigzag line here. And make another one here. Okay, I like that. I think that looks pretty good. I might add a couple more zigzags. Maybe just another one at the bottom. And that will probably be it for me on that. All right, now you're going to take your watercolors, get your brush just wet enough to get the pick up the paint. And I want to make my triangle yellow. So I'm going to carefully paint my triangle yellow. And the wax from the crayons should resist or push away the watercolor so that it keeps the watercolor inside my lines. Okay. Now that I'm finished with that part, I'm going to go in. I might need a little more yellow on here. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to paint the background a different color. On this one, I think I'm going to use orange. So I'll get my paint back on my brush and go over my lines with orange. And now if you used enough of the crayon, it should resist the watercolor, and you will start to see some really nice patterns coming through the watercolor that you made. All right, I can see it coming through. And you're just going to keep going until all of your square gets painted in. Now you'll have some paper underneath yours so that it keeps the table nice and clean. But you're just going to keep painting. And then when you're all finished with your painting and you have all the white space covered in, you'll raise your hand and I'll come around and pick up your beautiful painting and your which is your tile, and then I will put it on a tray to dry. All right, very nice. Almost finished, and I'm really liking the way this is coming out. Almost there. A little more white. Okay. And I like the way that looks. I can go back in here. It might need a little more paint up here. Watercolor is very fun to work with. It's very pretty. You get all kinds of light and dark colors. All right, that should be about it. So I am going to say this is finished, and I'm going to put it aside and let it dry. Have fun.